Welcome to another video. In this system of simultaneous equations of a plus bc equals to 2021, and the second one, we want to solve for the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. So the first thing we are going to do here is we are to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So I call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we are going to have a plus bc minus bracket ab plus c equals to 2021 minus 2022. Then by opening the parentheses, we have the first one as a plus bc minus, so this becomes ab minus c equals to 1. So if I try to group this based on their terms, so the first is having this having a, so I group this, while the second one is having cc, so which is bc minus c. So I try to group this, then equals to 1. So a is common, so I will take it out, and it remains 1 minus b, while for this one we have plus c is common, and we are left with b minus 1 equals to 1. Then looking at this in the brackets, so they are not the same, and we can make them the same by taking out negative here. Then we have b minus 1, then plus c bracket b minus 1 equals to 1. So we have common factor here. Then we combine the coefficient together, whereby we have b minus 1 bracket minus a plus c, and this equals to 1. Then so I can replace this, so we have b minus 1, then bracket c minus a equals to 1. And what this is trying to say is the product of these two must be equals to 1, and there are two possible values. So it's either this b minus 1 is 1 and c minus 1 is also 1, so 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. Or it can also go in negative way, so minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is also equals to 1. So thereby, I'm going to test for these two to get the value of b and c and a. So suppose I test for when b minus 1 equals to 1. So I said the product of these two must be equals to 1. So then if b minus 1 equals to 1, so definitely we are going to have b here to be equals to 2. And then getting this value of b, so we are going to consider from the original equation and start substituting the value of b at equals to 2. So the reason is just to get the other value of a and c. So let's start with the first one, which is a plus bc equals to 2020. So having that, and the value of b equals to 2. So we have a plus b c equals to 2021. So at b equals to 2 now, so anywhere we see b, we replace it with 2. Then we have a plus 2c equals to 2021. And we call this one equation 3. So while for the second one, which is ab plus c equals to 2020. So and at b equals to 2, we are going to have ab plus c equals to 2020. Then if b equals to 2, we have 2a plus c equals to 2020. And we consider this one as equation 4. Then we can now combine these two equations together. What I'm going to do is elimination method. So if I multiply this one by 2, so for a to cancel and get c, then we have 2a plus 4c equals to this is 40 and 42. Then if I introduce negative to this, and so know that these two will cancelled, here we have c minus 4, that is minus 3c, and for this we have negative we are going to have negative 2022. Yeah, so 2022. And by dividing both sides by negative 3, so just to get the value of c, we have these two cancelled, and c equals to, so the negative is also cancelled, and 3 in 2022, that is 674. So which means we have gotten the value of c. And let's see how to get the value of a. So you can consider any of this equation, but I'm going to consider this, the one with 2020, as 2a plus c equals to 2020. And the value of c has been gotten, which is 674. Then we have 2a. So we transfer it to other side. Then we have 2020 minus 674. Then 2a equals to, so subtracting these two, we are going to have 1346. And dividing both sides by 2 here, we are going to have these two cancelled, and the value of a for this at b equals to 1 equals to 673. So these are the three values for when we test for b minus 1 equals to 1. Then we have a equals to 673. Then we have b equals to 2. And the last one, which is c, equals to 674. So this is how I got this, but it doesn't end here. Let's see when b minus 1 equals to minus 1, because those are the two positive values that will be equals to 1. So we are the product of these two, so it will be equals to 1. And we have only checked for if equals to plus 1. So let's see equals to, if equals to negative 1, we have b minus 1 equals to minus 1. And we know for it that the value of b equals to 0. So if b equals to 0, then it is easy to get the value of a and c by substituting it in equation 1 and 2. So for the first equation, we have a plus bc equals to 2021. And if b equals to 0, then definitely a equals to 2021. And for the second one, to get the value of c at b equals to 0, so we have ab plus c equal to 2020. So when b equals to 0, then we are going to have c equals to 2020. And here are the rest of the three values for a, b, c. 2021 for a, b is 0, and the c is 2020. So here is how I think this problem should be solved. If you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the steps I used. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye bye. Never stop learning.